If you can hang a picture, you can hang your Roman shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these 3 simple tools and let's get started. All Romans have the same basic parts: the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Depending on your specific product, your brackets or screws may look a little different from the ones I'll be using in this video. That's okay though. Just use what you received with your Roman shades because installing them is pretty much the same. Romans are one of the easiest window coverings to put up. Notice the 2 slots or holes in the top of the headrail. This helps take the guesswork out of where to place your brackets and makes it easy to attach the headrail to the window. Start by installing the brackets inside the top of the window frame. With the front of the shade facing you, center the headrail in the window. Grab your pencil and make a mark through both slots to show where you'll place the brackets. Remove the shade and set it aside for now. Starting on the left side of the window, take a bracket and position it over the mark where the screw or bolt will be. Using the holes in the bracket, mark the 2 spots where you'll insert the mounting screws. Do the same to position the bracket on the right side. To make drilling in the screws easier, you may want to pre-route the screw holes first. Don't go too deep though, just deep enough to get the screw started. Now, measure between your marks to make sure the brackets are aligned. Does everything look straight? Go ahead and drill the screws into place through each bracket. Measure between them again just to make sure they're aligned and even. Now that the brackets are in place, let's attach the shade. With the front of the shade facing you, use the slot holes as a guide to position the headrail over the bottom of the drop bolts. With one hand, pull the shade up above the headrail to expose the bottom of the bolts. With your other hand, reach up under the shade and attach the wing nuts to secure the headrail to the window and brackets. Now that everything's in place, let's do a quick test to make sure your shade works right. Use the ring pole hiding behind the shade to pull it down and back up again. Voila! Your new Roman shades are ready to roll. If you see a few wrinkles, grab a steam iron and gently move it over, not on, the shade while pushing the steam button to remove them. If you need to take your shades down, simply lift them up and reach underneath to unscrew the wing nuts. Then, lift them out by the headrail. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new Roman shades from Select Blinds.